Guess what? I just found the most quickest and easiest wig to install. And just like that, we're ready to go. If you want to see how I style this, then keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Stacy. So I want to share with you a beautiful wig that was sent over to me by UNice. And I must say the wig is really beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you. I did try it on before and it looks great, but I didn't had a chance to like really style it. This is what it looks like. It's like almost no lace, like it almost blends in with my hand. So I'm just going to go ahead and let me just show you the features of the wig. It has a drawstring in the back, so you could tighten it up. I always love when a wig makes it so easy and convenient. And it also has its regular adjustable band in the back. Okay, this is the Byebye Slip wig with the finger coil. Just wanted to show y'all real quickly the curls at the end. How beautiful is this wig? And this is the 20-inch. This is the 7x5 lace. All right, so we're gonna put this on. We'll put this baby on. I like to think it's small head friendly, so I adjust it. I have a small head. So I adjust the band, and let me just put the wig on. Let's see. Draw the string, and the wig is on. You can even see the stocking cap that I have on it there. That's so good. The lace is on this wig. And this is the wig straight out of the box. Now, I love a big hair. It's been a long time since I've had a big hairstyle. So let me go ahead and put some mousse in. I'm gonna style this up for you real quickly. Let's get these curls popping. I mean, the curl pattern is this hair is amazing. It is so pretty, y'all. That finger towards the end is so pretty. So it's giving big, bold, and beautiful. Okay, the hair is amazing. Like, it is so pretty. Let's comb the tips out with my finger. You could always wrap this back around and bring back the coil. And you can always do a thing like this to get the coil back in if you feel like you kind of combed it out. So bring it back just a little bit. And that's just only by choice. All right. So you could do like that, or you could always pick the hair back up. If you ever feel like you want like more volume in the back, get you a nice pick it back up just to give it more volume. Make it nice and fluffy. So nice and fluffy, and then it's beautiful in the front. So I'm just putting a little bit of makeup on the edges just so it could match me and my stocking cap. Super cute, right? So this is the wig. Now this is beautiful after I done put all of the, you know, the makeup on the edges just to make it blend and put all the products in it and style it. It was just so easy. Now this is something I could wear for date nights, when I go out, even for work. You know, I could always put the hair back, put in the ponytail if I need to. We'll keep it out. Like, we love big hair. Heck, love this. So cute. It's good for all kinds of functions, and I really like it. Okay, so this is the front. I like how it frames my face so I don't have to cut it. Really pretty. That's the front. That's the side. Just love a good full head. And the back. It's definitely giving. Okay. Very simple to put on, the style, no problem. Yeah. So if you really love this wig, guys, I will have a coupon code in the description so you could get a percentage off. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye, Glam Squad.